tukunyara ko batugokwandira amangana arengete echai ngo murimi gw'echai n'abarimi kwa jumla mugusi abakenya n'abarigirira sana se chinkwana cy'ubutuko buwarero nereko tore live ali Vuna TV masemo wetera somo tanda YouTube kunyara ko bogokurigira na gutegerera chinkwana cyema sema SMS line yane igere 0706 102 na chinkwana chigendrete na bukuri SMS elinde gukwana mona into tumanye birengeri byona kibire una chinkwana kirabe chigendrete munere naro yeito nayo kunyara ko bagoko ngarigeneria asante sana kero ntete kunyara ko bango ba leta bagenie masembeo kero to kwandra mangana lengete echai osobali mibwe chai aiga se studio ntorenero mwakili Kennedy Omanga abange mu manyitana nyaroko baga koronde kero kyobo senator ase county ya Kisii na boigo akabero mu secretary o KTDA kototebyale ngake bintu bere karibu sana muraya se studio chetu cha Radio Vuna 2.0 FM.
Nyambia mano Brian.
Yes.
Mbia mano abasikilizaji wa Radio Vuna. It's good to be here with you.
All right.
Mbia mano sana.
All right. Asante sana kwa rachira matuko kuru mweli kwa renga iga sige pindi ke gukondera chikura chia Kisii County. Ona chikura chia Renegas. All right, asante sana. Karibu sana se studio chetu cha Radio Vuna 2.0 FM. Na kurwaseo koboko kwa ne ugoko liontora monere Wilfred Bosire mulimi boigo bw'echai na boigo board manager ntate nga senator no mulimi ule bw'echai
nomo riminde naende bado nomo secretary ya KTDA group company secretary.
All right. Asante sana. Akuruko yes Nyakundi director andake okwani mugusi na ndo nyaruka bagoko imenyekani bya sebo tukobwerera.
Bia mano moraria Brian ande bia mana sengjo to arke ni ase nyomba yeto yogoraria ya fuma to kwande goro yoboremi witu wekemerige chai maria tane ngurukwa Wilfred Nyakundi kero muremi na ande ni gonde director korwa Tombe ande board member ngo wa Krisa wa director se board ya Nairobi.
Okay. Alright, kura se factory ya Tombe.
Yes.
Alright, asante sana. Karibu sana Senchira Benekima. Na baigo ntorenere Lamek Ogembo professional legal mu accountant na baigo no murimiare bwechae kana tokanya rokobango mwaliga ni boiga nya rokoba ka okoni mugusi na kwemanyekane biyanga reningo Lamek karibu.
Asante sana muralia asa marieta na Lamek ngakoi umwe gura muralia gateba inje numo director ande ku Ogembo tea factory and Everege. Ogembo is the main factory, Everege is the satellite. No ngana kishete une vice chairman and na wakwana njeno I'm a professional accountant.
Yes.
And I worked in KTDA as an employee before I retired to become a director. Asante sana sukunialika. Mugusi ntoi twajira suko batebure yake melige chai.
Right. Asante sana karibu sana Brai andake keroto gocha kamo na wakili mapeme wiki ga mokonyo murebese Dr. William not Rigathi Gachagua na nyarakoba kago kwana naga aka kwana nga aba director bare abisi wasaba director bakabero bakitidie ngango swana bakali mirimo yaba director bara abisi andake totegerere nkwana yuna nyarakoba kago kwana.
I also want to affirm to our farmers in the tea subsector that the government will not allow anybody to destabilize the reforms and the stability that is going on in the tea subsector. The attempt by former directors to forcibly take over factories and the KTDA headquarters is a hate of impunity, and the government will not allow impunity. We must allow the directors who are in office to continue executing their mandate and continue instituting reforms in the tea subsector and looking for market to make.
All right. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua gotabanga ba director ba kabera bisi KTD ga ukari goswana nemiremo ya ba director babona asibate gitogoswa bisi ne chinguru asomurimi asomutegereri yotamanyite exactly ngiko gendrete tubeke ngo biyabo no mwakili ko baseri soli elichiko.
Biamano Brian nainde biamano ase riswari elio biamano ase recording yukwa tobekeire nda I will open up a bit about amangana ayomorimi wechai nainde amangana ownership ye factory nainde tosako swara gati we will not be able to get a history when takawa bunere.
All right.
KTDA Lechi Factory una gare ron tuatora rua Tombe Tea Factory Ogembo Tea Factory asecha ya neko enda Nyansiongo, and there are many other factories.
All right.
Tea Factory echi uchire owned by Abarimi nabo wanaisa shareholders Tea Factory chiao.
Okay.
And there are 54 mother factories Kenya ngima. Echi company registered under the Companies Act. And at the same time, Chibuati shareholders Babo, and Chibuati articles of associations Chiabo, and also a process that Chiwaku for directors. And in that case, there are issues that shareholders do on their own, and there are issues that the government generally ya oversight.
All right.
Amongst the things that are oversight, ne chikura chabarim, chikura chia over director. And as we talk, 3, 4, 5 years ago, there was a change yeri chiko, Eco Crops Act.
Yes.
Tokarusi crops, what was there as Tea Board of Kenya, just Chikaba collapsed into one big body Agricultural Food Authority.
Okay.
Which means cotton board, tea board, coffee board. Chibode chichionsipi chaba collapsed into one AFA.
All right.
That was under, I think, APS Yarengo was Romano Kiome. In the process, Bono Omorimi Wecha Kenya Ngima lost a whole institution. And we now just got Omo Director Omo in AFA. Obo Isaransa, no more director or cotton.
Okay.
No more director or cashew nuts. And tea was the second largest or is the largest foreign exchange earner. So, Kuruwabu, there was a problem in terms of what is it that AFA is able to do for tea.
Okay.
And there was a clamor to change the law. This law, Nonye Intwe at KTDA, T-Board, KTGA, Amasamba, and so on, were all for the issue of trying to change the law into bringing back T-Board of Kenya. Ikiara T-Board of Kenya nere amye serikali yogo toigorera chichiro.
Okay.
There's no way oranyore umurimi bwechai kurunyamache ora agende ngumbu Pakistan was Russia kurigi echiro.
Okay.
That is the work of the government.
All right.
To open up markets. So there was a clamor to change the jiko na hende toira ni back T-Board. Of which 20 were all in support of.
Okay.
This came up to 2019, 2020, when now a T-bill, created a T-bill that was sponsored by Aaron Cheriot. A bill you have what section here, and 66 or 60 sections.
Yes.
Chingia, that are providing for T-Board gasi ya enogo toigora chichiro isiko yense which is Pakistan, which is Egypt, na chisema wao. Now with that was okay for everybody.
Yes.
Until somewhere ekere bill ya recover pass na parliament chi section 17 chigakoraki chigasoima. Those 17 sections were sections that started interfering in the affairs of the company.
Okay.
Where serikali veka bono to put in munya kabeka chi proposal that serikali nere wote gotochora chi director nere wote gototena chikura chito icha yonsi ede oni way auction, which means montuta gocha wote factory eva gorie chai amba tombaro ngumbu bongereza who have never gone to the auction as chai ko ni we chiro ye chai lakini bache factory direct.
Okay.
Va gorachi container koruo bagenda lakini wono lichikeri katanga echa yonsi eoneke echiro ya Mombasa. That and angechi section ange 15 others that were offensive.
Okay.
Chigapingwa.
Okay.
Chigapingwa na Bomet County Council, county government, chigapingwa na KTGA Amasamba, chigapingwa na bantu wa Mombasa, chigapingwa na KTDA, chi factory chosi. Chigapingu na abakori emirimo. Because it also said abakori emirimo ange 50% bakoreki bagendeka.
Okay.
Without giving reasons why abaremi bunabono gusiyo to what almost 120 employees in KTDA.
Okay.
Onye about 50% are going home and there's no redundancy, you must be able to explain why. So chi section echi 17 nchipingile nonyego wanonkoti ni chikare.
Okay.
And as a result they were stopped from being implemented. So it is not KTDA okaya pingite amachika yu 17 and because of the timing.
All right.
Again don't care public participation. So those 17 sections get through public participation. And again to get through public participation under constitution ya Kenya, you can challenge it.
Okay.
Egwente kwa through the right.
All right. So asinge jechinsa wakili na
Yes.
kitu ingetega senkwani
Yeah,
shagwa.
so I want amongst those sections pingetwe are sections on elections.
Okay.
And as when we challenged those sections even on elections, what happened is it looked like anene ngakiria Uhuru.
Yes.
Engakia Munya.
Okay.
That's when we challenged Richi kama chikaya.
Okay.
Agota banga serikali nere gotochorera ki nere gotochorera chi director.
Okay.
Iyo kumusana gokabo chikura chikarangeriwa na KTDA buna tokorangira chikura kero mwaka.
Okay.
Every kero mwaka nga mutinyo November chikura nkorangira uchire. But a minister ikagenda Mombasa igakora ki igateneni chikura.
Ichi charangira tukuna KTDA.
Charangira na KTDA. Igateba tinda abeka machikane for KTDA agenda kore ki ebori chikura. Irangira chikura.
All right.
Then igaikabono mutinyo gatatu umwaka wa 2021 eyibona abegete akabeka ebikwaso ekoti mutinyo 8 ekoti ya Mombasa tukabwatire ndirichiko tukabwatire ichiko and that meant bari bareime nabo chi director.
Okay.
Ondeta yora chitata ngabona na chorirwe onye koti akorereki yateniri chikura.
Okay.
Tugaika March 2021 where now ekorana a minister thought now one tigandu sichi director chi but I can't take care chikura na korereki na chitenene ne court.
Okay.
A president karu executive order one eka order chikura chikoreki chiakwe oyu Kenyatta.
Okay.
Kenyatta.
Yes.
Tukaira na bako tin tukataba onye koti yatenini chikura ne president yarangiri chikura order ki ikia chose ne chi order mone court order and an executive order. Okay. Order ki ere igoro than the other. Koti kataba onye koti ya Mombasa yatenini chikura then executive order itebwa tinguru.
All right.
Yeminatinga chi director chiri chiarenge by the time chikura chikotenini ugo na vochi director chichi factory na vochi director cha KTDA.
All right.
But munya tachi chikotene na aka request for support koruasa abanyanyimbo na endekero muntu mbarocho mutinyo kane chikura nchi arangere tu against a order ye court.
All right.
Chief administrator batenda na chikura abantu bakeruka chi director.
All right. Watera wakili.
Yes.
All right. Watera wakili. Andake ekerongo chase Wilfred muna kwa bere bune board manager no manyitinga kibinto bekokolekana ali ase chief factory chiechai timaiti ekero muraibense o enda retire his excellency Uhuru Kenyatta rweto gochika ngachikura nyaro ko bachiko koleka against the court order muna wakili atobekire ngachikura chinyaro ko ba chikoterenigwa obochori bubwa kolekanete nchira kibwa kolekanete abadirector bale barengo ngakimba abwaterenetigwe. What was the process?
Yamono mararia nambe yamo indue na ba director osabare mi eto sigeteri chiko.
All right.
Eri chiko ya Kenya kerero ligusikwa ekera tu aringa tayari gukora chikura una toko genda tat abataita babereke factory kero mwaka ngo chatene netugwe angabo tukosa na mbili na kiota chichete. So we received the orders that kuranjiri ko gendera tuanyora ko Mombasa.
Okay.
Tukawira lichiko tugatene chikura tukiti gukora chikura icho. Usually umuraria chikura chikoro kuchabarimi procedure yabaneroro. Ekara cyatangasirwe ikigo cyakira buying center ikikiri kimata cyabanyene obole mino bwabanyene uri mwabanyene bo cyakira buying center committee amoko na mwaka chikura una lero maybe mwaka chikura cyogo buying center kiri konda ki rotation.
All right.
Mwaka ora mambi yaje mwamanya ku proceed from among bali bachodu kyana bako da asinge jere gento bekorwa obole miye boda bwa banyene bwa farmers bachora abantu bakubatenda buying center abantu bakumenya kuruwa banda bachora na ba director bali batenda factory para according to centers na mojorete your constituency is kiro.
Okay.
Like in my factory it was 6 of them.
All right.
So 6 analysts babire bakogenda every year ekera bachire bachorira ba director abo bako present babire bako present e factory ya 30 year.
Okay.
Ekara kia bere nkogenda tore twasomera kisabu cy'umwaka HM yaja HM yebonere tatvae aba director bakobanga bajoretwe babanjero kubakorerega ya sisimi yake 3.
Okay.
we retire at 3 years.
All right.
Onyo gotegete kuirano obori mandate nande kurwa sabanye sabanyene.
Okay.
So a general meeting there go ya endorse twatwara twabera ba director.
All right.
Ekekia bete ekere kotota yachete ndokore tukura.
Okay.
Chikure chibone kiachete ekero munene bwense atebire nga chikura chikorwe.
All right.
Chikura eminise kabeka abantu bakagenda ekero tukokora chikura ngo guture ndokore notice 21 days. Yoga tayari chikura chikale chatanga chipanda mwaba tayari kuna chikokora coordinate chiko.
Okay.
Na Articles of Association Act Chito 2015. Bone kenkebeti because ya force gete ya renge no yes serikali.
All right.
Ntwanjere twe. Kenya ngima bantu bali ko ba director bali bakoro ntwanjere twe koswa sengenjo ntobono nintu twabera osoteted so kiwa
mwanjero wakakura
ya ntwanjere wakakura
na kubolie gerego
ya bone kenkia ntwa tubageri.
So what is the process ngore ko kuboli chikura ngore wakaji
bono bali bachete ko boli ngakiye na ubachete bakabolia ne process ya renge bona under administration oso ndibwo chokachorwa buna Brian ora tabu nganku utenere tombe.
Okay.
The process ne tubwate yo kwa chikura.
All right.
Chikura yera to chikora ntubwate ngachuka ba feted kwa libaga kwa genda.
Okay.
Emoko kora so ningino na bali boka banyene ba register ko ba kurugwa sibe chai.
All right.
Ndurgo ekorere geti buno ndubwensi akosoa kwa kachikura. Bono okay, for example tombe. So ni yana so ni 6. Engoko na bantu ba so ni 6 boka. Omuntu nyano so ni 4 lero wako na bantu ba so ni 4 komirana.
Okay.
Lakibone kiki ari geti ba bege tubonsi piamo. Aba daita bonsita bagakerwa.
Iko chikura ne administration ni
ya palete
serikali ya tende.
Na bali bacho bali tu abantu bali bacho bali tu bali kokoria.
All right.
Lakini seria ichikondiriko.
Okay. All right. Watrabo. Kalo tukure na swero wakile ntracha se Lamek. Iko ensemo gose serikali ya rugo chikanga chikura chiakwe against a court order. Keta samangana yeli chike yitokoroka contempt of court gose korokia machaya as a court again. Maybe ase faida yo mategeriyone KTD de bwate omurobelyo yenjere chikura chimeto kunyoro kwa chigwakwa. Ekere serikali ya kogendia ogo choro kwa ba director barabisi. Maybe mba bwate ti omurobelyo yu gose bachete with their own process.
Brian, process tiarengo na inde ekere court ya tebenga genton ke korekana ke bwati.
Okay.
Ikiara osako ignore order yo for sure genton kero go contempt of court. Na inde genton kero aba okiro ote ba null and void. No gendera una bono ba beriro ba diba soete weterase system yi ba beriro for almost 1.5 years.
Okay.
Lakini ikina ke genderete. Eko tumaite coordinate slow ase okore bintu bya lakini omwerio ngona chere.
All right.
Ndu aroche petition ya presidential petition wote ya ba slow matuka akaera egaetia. Bono di tukerio ba that they alleged ba korete chikura ba what there's nothing called shareholders register.
Okay.
There's nothing called ballots. We interview vetting biarengo and so on. So there was nothing. Na inde court ya kanire. Onye koti ya ikirego kana na onye presidential order yo number 3 of 2021 the court stopped and said media hotanga reorganization nechikura.
All right.
So bono you can only just sit back origererie ekia bantu bagokora kinyume ye sheria. That's what happened.
Okay. All right. I understand muna whatever ebina aombiro biri kirase ekigambiro in regard to this issue, especially lichike ligalie chali ya 2020 the T Act 2020 gatie bingese bi konyara ko bi kwamererwa na ba director ba kabero bisinga mona kama bagoteba na kingesengero kegoswana na obo sibole waso wetendra kwa aba director asamangana yichichai independence of boards of directors of tea factories boigonga nkuru bali chinkuru chokorosia machiko ako ligi akorosia ngakiense mwecha kunyara ko bage kugendwa na boigo mangana aliye chae koba auction de yonsi alia lika liukurwa libaga for direct sales timeti kurwa so karanse tebuna omo akili ebingesibi nebikebire na kwandira gatibire birigendera to kwamerwa sili chikeligali ati Act 2020 does it have substance?
Section 17 Vuna chipingire na abantu kulwe industry. Ikiatari KTDA ipingete.
Okay.
It is the entire industry ipingete.
Sure.
Kiana hote Bomet County.
Yes.
Abantu wa Mombasa, bari bakonye chai, brokers, buyers, and so on. Chiri 17 nchibwate chisho chai. Mpaka bakori meremo. Mbabwate chisho chiabo.
All right.
Ikiera when Lichiko might cover aimed at an individual entity.
Okay.
Lichiko riwende cover general. Kuruo that generality ya affect kero monto.
Alright.
But Lichiko una chi section chi related to into as a bunge ichinde chiarenge aimed at an institution. Ikiara tokobeka as a Lichiko ya T Act 2020 amangane chikura chi factory.
Okay.
Onye motari wa affect factory Kiptagich ekare private factory gose Eden ekare Kericho gose Bomet to konyara go kwane go ya Kapkoros.
All right.
Because AU is an individual. Lichi kori wento cover broad. Na T-board yebo no go tenana chikura che company iteri gasia T-board. Gasia T-board is to open markets for HI8.
Okay.
Chait yeito teranyola chiro isaine kooneka.
Okay.
So we are saying these sections are just aimed were personal issues.
All right.
And that's why we are saying eyo ebwete go serikali bwete ko ligeredia ira ne ba gerengere those 17 sections echo.
Okay.
I think Lamek na kwa negore ya ya mangana auction sales.
Yes.
Ikiara ekero ko ile chaye ino yo sipi oje chiro ya Mombasa.
Yes.
Naende something one of the sections here tete minimum price.
Yes.
A minister kabeka aseri chiko minimum price. Reserve price.
Right.
Ye chai ya KTDA.
Okay.
Tabege ti reserve price ye chai ya Masamba.
All right. Ngoja tora wakile den ngoja ndase asilamike lakini nitekete sefa de mategereri tomanya bya ekigera na tugokuwa na abakori merema batano batatu se ekyombe ya KTDA gose company ya KTDA sabano banyari ko bagutigigwe meremo asekere ko tebakadanga igo baberko ba colleagues na old directors and there is an allegation inga the old directors igo moteke togoswa abisi gose bateke togoswa abisi ni chinguro. All right. And maybe if I do mategereri atotegere nsemo ya bara ya ba KTDA ba kuandra linganelio.
Tunataka kusema tunakomea hiyo kitendo ambayo ilifanyika na wakulima wameamua na wamesema kwamba hawata they will not accept hata allow viongozi ambao ni watapeli kurudi na wale wakatao wamefuatana na wao. Tunataka kusema kwamba kesi ilienda kotini na koti inaendelea kusikiza hizo kesi ambazo wao walipeleka mbele. Kesi hizo ni moja ya zile wanatumia kupata pesa anajia hiyo, kwa hivyo kesi tunafuatilia. Tuna mawakili wa kutosha wa kufuatilia hizo kesi. Ile makaratasi walikuwa wamekuja nayo haina maana yote, ni ile tu walikuwa wanasema ati ilikuwa kwa sababu kuna serikali mpya nao wanaweza kuja waingie kwa ofisi kama nao viongozi wapi. Tumewaambia hiyo haiwezekani, wakulima wameshaamua hawata allow the former leaders ambao walikuwa mismanage their money, mismanage their resources kurudi katika ofisi. Hao ni viongozi ambao tumeweka kando na kusema ukweli they are not even eligible for any re-election kwa sababu walitolewa kwa ofisi kisheria, wameonywa na serikali imekuwa quoted, wamekuwa pronounce themselves including the presidency and the cabinet na hata deputy president ameongea na kusema kwamba they will not allow any instability and any cause of chaos to economy.
I also want to take this to condemn the old directors for interrupting the processes in our factories. The current operation of the KTDA, they are doing more better than the other ones because even the farmers are also very happy and they are proud of the people they chose into the office. So I wouldn't talk much of the old one because the farmers are the ones to know because of what they have now earned from the new directors.
You would know the president has addressed himself on this, the cabinet has addressed itself on this, the deputy president has addressed himself on this, and they have said that the tea reforms that took place last year will stay, the members of the respective boards will remain, and there is no going back and there is no backtracking on the reforms that have taken place. And I want people to know that whilst people are in boardrooms arguing, there are livelihoods of 2.5 million people at stake.
All right. So, wakili, that is the allegation nga aba director wa koroba kiti deba teto kwa swabisi ni chinguru. Is it a fact?
Brian, it's not a fact. Naende king kerikane. On 26th of September 2022, chi board chia 55 companies. Chia agenda chi company chia. And everyone had ringana dia serikali go tebanga, let's obey court orders.
Okay.
Order ya rengo on 24th of March 2021. Ya tebetenga chikura yako. Na ine Brian, I will leave you a ruling ya ye court. Ya tebetenga no elections should be held. Bono onye after 24th ugatoka nga kwa eso ili a boardroom and there's an order ya court ya tebetenga chikura nchi akwa, what will you call yourself? Ore kesa a director as against a court order. Ne serikali ya Kenya ya tebelenga, we will honor court orders, including noroche unachija chile kwa pishu moisonde. It was a decision ya renge ya 2-3 years ago.
Right.
Lakini former president tachitiko karaki, tachitiko nyeona. The current president is the one who honored it.
Okay.
Now, ekere chibod ni chia chete. That is a fact. Chirochon chia chete chibodroom chavo, chika transact business. Nonye Nairobi boardroom was transacted. Why? Because the directors that were in office, as at the time the court made a ruling that no elections be held, were the ones vachetavis.
Right.
And even as we talk today, Ondeta Yononyoyomo, who has been arrested for having gone to their boardroom. In fact, the speaker Orego Kwana himself, they went to court on the 12th of October. Yere moisonde wotema gotanga chi director chiri chia chiete ese boardroom yabo on the 26th. And I will give you the court order.
Yes.
Yeah, so gete a court did not accept. Ogosaboku kwabonga batangwe. That the court did not accept it. So Voka Nyene have gone to court 29th of September. That matter came up on the 12th of October. Asebaro gosabanga abantu badia tigabatangu mbaswa.
All right.
Onye Voka baswa ete kinyume ye sheria.
Okay.
Why then are they using the same sheria to protect him in the office?
Okay.
And it's the reason I'm saying serikali the way it has come, and indeed by the way Brian Range they would like to address, and we hope the new Attorney General also arigereria machika 17 and try and resolve it.
Okay.
It will continue even to be careful, take their time. But to say ngamba agenda as against a court order, are the ones who are currently legally in office.
All right. Yes. So koro mnango tekerete, it means zinga kulingana nugo chika kulie ekambero kia nitoka bage kurwa from your position bochori mbwa korekanete.
Mbwa korekanete.
All right. Okay. Ndetoko chase lameke kartuko kwanera amonchiri ya nitoka baga koretwa nilichike ligalia the Act 2020. The general feeling nelinga abalimi baroche ili abakonye. Munabono serikali gatebanga kilo yechae legal ento kwa 275 wenyolenga by before then konyora legal set to about 191 shillings, the lowest price actually for about the last decade. Voiko it was said dinga our director libalengo ba KTDA, they were mismanaging the factories, in fact overcharging the farmers. At the same time na okro kuligere lenchera chibesa chia kanwa tokoruke bonus aso mwako itabu chibesa, there was an increase by 42% to about 62.89 billion ikoron kwadro mutinyo gatano na kabere to June 2022 year regard increase by 18.74 billion chibesa chireba na alibibanya rekoba kwa kono na bonus initially oyise kunyura mwaka witete bwe chibasa yalenga about 44.15 billion. At the same time serikali gendo teku yake kubana goteba nonye ni chibasa bali bakonyora pa kilo at least chia kindire to about 50.9 shillings, a year an increase of 44.60% compared na by 20 miaka ya biroko bake weta liko liya lenge ise. Of course ngwe toge bari goro ya mangana yokoleta mangana value addition se enseme yecha. So generally abali miekero ogotegera they appreciate reforms echenyero ko bachikoletwa amo neli chikelika elia T-Act 2020 timaiti kuruwa sobo manyibu chibesa ekero kurigeria abalimi ncheraki mbanyare kutwara birengera libide bingao ekero baroche turatenga na moba bakareko gasa sobwanga njerone.
Thanks very much Brian for question ikwa buliri lakini intara kunyanza. Let me bring it to your attention now. KTDA, the old board, or rather directors, was Lisco. They were in support of the T-Act.
Okay.
The only contentious sections is 17 out of 74.
Right.
Those are the only 17 in contention. Nigeria,
okay.
Now coming to the costs, was coming to the gains that farmers but what's happening right now in Chicago, what the inquiry figures here they are missing. Might not work one short-term gains at the expense of long-term gains.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's happening right now is whatever now. Labalimi bagatebire na chibaza chao cha mentire a program ya lengoro when we were in office.
Yes.
We were increasing every year, going increase to 3 shillings per kg. By the time we left last year, we had reached 18.
Okay.
By now, nditwale ngoro kanga wana to work na 21 shillings a kg.
Okay.
Right now, it's 20 shillings chiwaka. So I don't know whether those are gains or not or decline, because right now gains kanga wana 21 shillings per kg.
Okay.
And the drop is kanga na to work na. Now, we say colleague tea prices generally in the market. It are determined by the forces of supply and demand. Yeah. Now, and then in a year, in 1 year, the prices in Kenya generally are very good because the demand of Kenyan tea are very good. Because the auction in markets to what in the world, into what Colombo, to what Mombasa, na Kolkata. Yeah. Those are the 3 major tea auction markets in the world.
All right.
Na buranya na HI ya lenge boindi the prices kwenye jiaende jia shoot up. So buyers from those markets they watu higher demand kwa HI ya Kenya. That also may have contributed to high prices. Yeah. Uiso chamana ya bagate na serikali ya tewa na the minimum price here HI 275.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the reserve price. But basically what has happened, you can go was some repercussions here in the market. Is chicha iwono jikuwa mete Mombasa warehouse. Chitalikoneka.
Okay.
Ikingie minute ya somolemi. Bonus yaka no mwaka oyo. Tali na niji sabu chia agetu kiara general nje na kaberu mu accountants ikatu asikiro mwaka wa KTDA ne subsidiaries okoera like the government financial year ujaka July or end in June chisabu chia kwa chia audited to mayana kere factory faida kiaro siyo kiare bonus ige wakano out of faida.
Okay.
No ne chibeze chi wakano wale mwekero motieni advance payment wakano against the profit yani faida hiyo.
Okay.
Eyi korogwa as a company chinde limited company chikorogwa dividends. Yeah. So iye bonus is the correct word is second payment. Yani payment ya kabiri kiari ntangani wakano ekero mutieni.
All right.
Ekero chiaka mwaro rabalemi ngakie bonus ya kanu mapema sana kwenye vitao mbira achunguliwa bimanyukire factory na kia kolire aba director the so called directors inda baruke abagendete bagasawa chiloni koru chibengi bakaja gwakana bonus chiloni echinji sabiri busa muja gwakana balege ndekoro kwa interest interest imineti na matumishi andare over and above chibesa chiribasa bite igonyo ole factory for example factory ya no gembo onye yajite kasabe loan ya kane bonus ya imbezi sikia akanete bonus onye batumete nsajinde ngogezi batumete maybe amatumizi ye jisabu ye mitienye 11 bakalige baga project mutienye omana nsajinde mwali umwaka na utura kolera those were just projections usikolege statistics jikoro jicha yabona jione tibumo izonde just to give you figures chinamba 48,380 packages there are 68 kg packages of tea chikoni we auction nchionili ya ingemi de gero jaji dali koni wa ejibeza factory jiri konyora besa chiyo kiara kero moko ni cha ne auction mu expect ejibeza jiri go cha sales na ejigi cha ko offset expenses bono chibeza jiba expect jiri go cha leo ni no iga chire chisto ingemi ti ase sabu kere cha ya endire auction na irana oneja koni wege ndege kokro kuna outlot yekere koni was an outlot sell prices chia jiko endanze
right
kiana perception ya buyers abakonya rakobecha ebona ya take time igo deliko bagregarded as fresh tea
okay
igo prices chia jiko endanze those are now the repercussions go then ama ngigeko gera echa eta one echa iwene koni wa on average every 3 weeks krea avere over the auction
alright
one jaje ko ni wa 3-6 months later echo kiabere amaguri ajirenze onye jaye mwabege there surprise ibabeka nkole ngive reason why echa yeta oneti was nge jwabege the minimum price
okay alright
market forces must be left alone to determine the price
alright
and ichi jaje nyingi kyagusiga ega akikoni wa n'abantu bakogenda go repack this tea unaketepa
okay ndeto gweterera abu bado no ntigareta asore koirena ekya molemi natete kumanyanga umuroberi boko ni cha exactly ya sebono na kiore amangana ega auctioning against serikali gento yali gukwananga etete gotanga mangana direct sales gochikorigia echire ya mase yamo asekirenga kyo gotanga chi broker na mangana nda ngamnayo inkiemileti asabano korona tole asole baadaye lakini mwacho butegerere ngogenda togotegera umuroberi wa baraina ama kendro nchoko ndokanga bright aigase studio ndena baraika togenda tokwandira mangana yemo chirudio se ensemo yechai ekarongo kumanyinga nyagitari ya Oasis bado nige ukwarigane kolingoli wa maroire ase nyagitari yo egotoka chisama kiri cha Keroka se nyumba ya Keroka Plaza para ya Kisi Masimba babariganire ko bakorero ko lingoli bwa maroire bosa utariganyero ko bakogwa kende gyonsi bari babata machando ya mauga mochando bw'ichinengo kigwatyo mugongo amariko bigoti ya mauga bonegete emechando yonsi ya mauga ne chinengo babariganire ko chakara itariki 17 mutienyo iga weketariki 20 na ibera ali ase chabise chabo chikutoka se ensemeli ya Keroka se nyumba ya Keroka Plaza lirongo lya kabere para ya Kisi Masimba nigo kwa boligwe onyaruka bago kwenda next ray kyao kwanya tuko bakogwa kwa chinga kicha magega asamange na bugwa Kisi mugutira se number 011 2483 119 011 2483 119 onyaruka bago kuma nyumuro bili yuna kyore asobwa kali ngoje tole baada mangana meya century yo bwikirano elinde kwandira kuligera lingane ka ase obwagara subutuko warenyeranga SMS line ya negere 0706102102 nabokwandira kundikira mna chingwane ichi chigenderete eyemo ase eyemo
Nyamira, Kebirigo, Ikonge, Gigoma, Manga, Nasionko. Radio Vuna 102.0.